Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for opening the video. I'm Claudia, and today I have a rental for you. You know, I'm in Jamaica. So this is a one-bedroom rental. You can tell us if you want the furniture. So for right now, this furniture is here. This one bedroom is up in Stony Hill in a complex called Everest Apartments, which is right beside Villa Ranai. So you can actually Google it. If you Google Villa Ranai, you'll know exactly where it is. So as you can see, the kitchen is compact, comes with your refrigerator, your stove, and your microwave, and you have adequate counter space and adequate cabinets. Also comes with a water heater, electric water heater under the sink. So as it is now, I'm standing in the living area. So this is a living dining combo. You saw the dining table earlier, and straight through that glass door is the balcony. Wow, check out the view. So you have a view of the mountains or the hills, view of the valley, very scenic, very green, air is clean. Let's have a look inside the bedroom. So this bedroom actually had a queen bed in here. It had a queen and a side table and a chest. So let's look at your bathroom space. Okay, we're going to look at the closet first. So that's a closet to your left. The bathroom is straight ahead. So you have shelf units, comes with a bath. You also have cabinetry. Alright, and as you can see, you have space to hang your towels and everything else. So inside the closet area comes with and also off the bedroom you get a balcony with a washing machine is actually on the balcony for your private use, so you don't need to go down to the laundry. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want a one bedroom in Stony Hill Everest Apartments, which is Old Stony Hill Road beside Villa Ranai, you want to give me a call, 876-292-6776. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, beautiful Jamaica day.